Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 1523. Count odd numbers in an interval range. Given two non-negative integers low and high, we want to return how many odd numbers between low and high. And they are inclusively, which means what? We are taking that low and high in our range also. Okay. Let us see the example. See here, L is equal to 3 and low is equal to 3 and high is equal to 7. So which means we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 as our range. Now from this I can say 3 is odd, 5 is odd and 7 is odd. So we will return what? 3. Okay. Now see the second example. It is 8, 9 and 10. So I can say only 1 is odd. So I will return 1. Again low is 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and high is what? 8. So I can say there are how many values? 1, 2, 3. So I can return 3. Okay, now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is the next range. So from this I can say 3, 5 and 7. So it is what? 3. So 3 is my output. So it is straightforward. We can generate from low to high, and if it is odd, we want to increment our result by 1. That's it, right? So how to find it, whether it is odd or even? Mod 2 is equal to 1, then it is what? Odd. That's it. Yes. So this is the brute force. This is a brute force. And what is the time constant and space constant for this approach? I can say my time constant will be O of n. What does n represent? N is equal to high minus low. That much time it will be iterating, right? Okay. Now what is the space constant? It is O of 1. So I can say this is the time and space constant. Now whether we can optimize it further. Okay. Let us think in a different way. See here, in first thing it will be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? Now tell me, if I don't take this 3, right? If I don't take this 3, I will take this 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, inside this how many odd numbers are there? I can say this one and this one is an odd number. So I can say inside this range there are only 2 odd numbers. Okay, let us take the second example. It is 8, 9 and 10. Okay, just take for example, I don't take this 8. Just take for example, I don't take this 8. I will take only this 9 and 10. Inside that, how many odd numbers are present? There are only one odd number is present. Okay. Now let me take 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inside that, how many odd numbers are present? If I take the ranges something like this is my range. Now how many odd numbers are present? I can say 1 and 2. So 2 odd numbers are present, right? So odd number is equal to 2. Yes. Now take the last example. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Just ignore this odd number. Just ignore the odd number in our range. So remaining will be this. And what are the odd numbers here? 3 and 5. So I can say odd number here also is 2. Okay. So can you observe this? If I remove any one interval which is odd or even, if there is 2 intervals are even, if see here this 2 intervals are even, so I can either remove any one of them. Other than that, I should remove this odd numbers only. This odd numbers only, this 7. Okay, so odd numbers only, such that see here, what is the length here? It is 5. What is the length here? It is 5. What is the length here? It is 2. What is the length here? It is 4. So 4 divided by 2 is what? 2. 2 divided by 2 is what? 1. 5 divided by 2 is what? 2. 5 divided by 2 is also 2. So I can say in all cases I will get what? The high minus low divided by 2. Why? Because we don't take the range one number. Okay. Whether this should be my output? No. See here, for this what is my output? We should include this also. So my count will be what? 3. For this also we should include 7. My count will be 3. For this we don't want to include anything. For this, what should we include? This 3. So my count will be what? 3. So I can say whenever 2 ranges are even, whenever L and R, these 2 are even, I should return this. Else I should return what? I should return right high minus low divided by 2 plus 1. Can you understand this? Other than that case, everything is returning what? Plus 1, right? For this. For only for this test case, the both ranges as even, we only return what? High minus low divided by 1. sorry, divided by 2. Can you understand this? When I am doing this high minus low, I can say that I don't take only one value, either it is high or it is low. Yes, if we want to include both high and low, it should be like what? Like a sliding window formula. What? High minus low plus 1. So this should be that. But this is not that the case. What is the case? It is high minus low. Can you understand this? Let me show the code so that it is more clear. See here. If low mod 2 is equal to 0 and also high mod 2 is equal to 0, both are even, then I should return what? This. Else I want to return what? Plus 1 additionally. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now, what is the time constant and space constant for the solution? I can say my time of t will gonna be like O of 1 and space constant is also this O of 1. So it is a basic math problem. It is very easy, right? Thank you.